Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix installed failed Epic Games launcher problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try, and I'm going to start with the most common fix first, and that is to run the installer as the system administrator. So get into your downloads. Now find your installer. Here it is here on mine. So I want to right click it, and then we want to run this as administrator. So this fixes most permission related install failures. Also, we need to delete old corrupted files. So sometimes a failed install leaves broken files behind. So basically we want to go ahead and click on your Windows key and R at the same time. Now this is going to open up run. Then from there, we need to go ahead and type in this. So it's local app data % either side and click on OK. Now from here, go ahead and find your Epic Games launcher folder or anything Epic Games. So just do a search. If you see any Epic Games in here, I already deleted mine, so I shouldn't see any. So I know I haven't. So I want to go ahead and delete these two. So delete these two and then run the installer. Next fix is we need to go ahead and restart the Windows installer service. So open up run again. So Windows and R, open up run, and then we need to type in services.msc and then click OK. Now we need to find the Windows installer here, so just do a search here. So I'm going to have Z to A and scroll down, click on Windows installer, right click it, and basically we want to go ahead and restart this, and then that's going to go ahead and restart your installer. Now, if you're running any viruses or VPNs in the background, you want to go ahead and disable them for the time being. So turn off any real-time protection, try installing it again, but obviously turn it back on after that fact. Now, another thing we need to do is check your disk space. So make sure you've got enough storage to run the game. So to do this, we want to go to System, and once we're inside System, we want to click onto Storage, or About, sorry. And now you're going to see storage at the top left hand corner of the page. So I've got 431 gigabytes of 477 used. Now the last fix I suggest is just deleting your old installer and getting a new one or a fresh installer from Epic Games.